What are the common causes of cough? So before discussing the causes of cough, we have discussed there are two types of cough. The first one is productive, and the second is non-productive. Productive, non-productive. In the productive, expectorants are used. Expectorant are those drugs which expels the excess mucus and cleans our respiratory tract from the contaminated by the foreign matter and excess secretions. And the non-productive cough has no useful function in our body. In the non-productive cough, in which no mucus secretions are released, so in that cough, antitussives are being used. Okay, so here are the example. Antitussive, they should be used for dry cough, because it suppresses the cough reflex. Antitussives, what are the MOA of antitussive? It suppresses the cough reflex, and it should not be used in the presence of bronchial secretions. जब bronchial secretions हमारा हो रहे हो, स्पुटम रिलीज हो रहा हो, तब हमें antitussives का यूज़ नहीं करना चाहिए. एंड द सेकेंड इज लोकली एंटीटसिव. लोकली एंटीटसिव जो सिर्फ एक जगह पर काम करें, एक स्पेसिफिक एरिया पर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ब्रेडिकैनिन इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ लोकली एंटीटसिव. म्यूकोएक्टिव एजेंट्स. म्यूकोएक्टिव एजेंट्स, they clear the airway from mucus secretions by the ability to the mucoactive agents have the ability to expectorate sputum from the body, and they also decrease the hypersecretion of the mucus. सिक्रीशन को भी कम करते हैं स्पुटम के, और उसको बाहर भी निकालने में हेल्प करते हैं. कौन? म्यूकोएक्टिव एजेंट्स. ओके, नाउ व्हाट आर द कॉमन कॉजेज ऑफ कफ? There are mainly 5 causes of cough. The first one is acute respiratory tract infection. Acute means होता है जो थोड़े समय के लिए रहे. The chronic means which last for long time. So the infections which are brought for a small period of time, they are known as acute. So acute respiratory tract infections such as upper respiratory tract infection, pneumonia, bronchitis, these are the acute infections, not long lasting. And the chronic respiratory infection is TB. It's like pulmonary TB and intestinal TB, etc. Postnasal drip, airway diseases such as asthma, chronic obstructive pulmonary diseases, and other reasons are also for cough. The fourth is irritants. Irritants means pollutants such as cigarette smoking, whether it is active smoking or passive smoking, or if we inhale some foreign bodies, it can also cause cough. The fifth one is drug induced. There are some drugs, just like ACE inhibitors, antihypertensives, or aerosols, which can induce the common causes of cough.